This is a project close to Silver Lake. Just gonna shoot a video here. We got the measurements. We'll work out the different options for you. So we're gonna do vertical and horizontal, all using 1x6 boards. If you want to go thinner boards, the price goes up. And then you also want a price for the potential of us just building framework, right? Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Okay. Framework for the gates and all that. So that's another option. This is a double swing gate here. It's 12 feet wide, and he doesn't want a motor. You can always add a motor if you want later. This section here is 40 feet long. It'll probably be, oh, he wants it low, around 4 feet for everything. This section will probably end up being a little over 5 feet, and it's going to stay level all the way across going down to the edge here. The entire length is 97 feet. We're going to try and reuse as many of these posts as we can. So this driveway gate is kind of a problem. We might have to actually dig a hole right here, I'm thinking, in order to dig down and have this support the gate enough. This side could be a little bit of an issue because there's already this post here, and there's this other, but still, maybe we'll have to push back the gate. Yeah. Otherwise, I mean, it's doable. It's just everything costs money. So
Can you use the post?
well, it's possible too. It's maybe he could. You know what? Actually, here's the. He started taking a 3x3 and sliding it over the top of these, and it works. So that's a potential possibility right here.
If it's level enough for that.
So each little section here, we're going to try and reuse as many posts as we can, because as you can see, the trees are here. This is a 5-foot wide entry gate on this side, a little bit, probably around 5 feet from the ground. So this is approximately 53-inch foot fencing here. I forgot to actually measure these two right here. So let's do that real quick. I'll put them in here. This one's only 4 feet wide on this gate. Same thing with the issues with the installation, could be kind of tricky over here. Also, to point out, this section is not in line with that one, so we could potentially build this out with some sort of steel or wood or something to kind of even out this fence line going this direction. So yeah, there's really no way to dig any of this out. When it comes to installing a gate, we could potentially bolt into the bottom of this part here and then anchor off of this part for more support. There's a step up right here, but we're going to keep all of this level, and the top of this is going to end up around 48 inches. So actually that's going to be taller here. So 44 might be good enough, honestly. I'm thinking let's make the whole front of this 44 and then just keep the rest of the fence going level all the way back. Because there's an issue here. There's no way to actually use this post, so we might. Well, actually, there's a way to use this post. We're planning on cutting out this post potentially and going straight to that post. So I'm not sure how that will work, but we'll have to tear everything out. That's the plan so far. This post here, we're gonna have to straighten out with a 2x6. We're gonna bolt a 2x6 on there and tweak it so that it ends up making the whole thing straight up and down. And then there's another 22 feet in the front. Then we got a tricky gate right here. It's gonna have these plants trimmed back. We're gonna be mounting on the side here. This is a 36-inch wide opening, and we got steel framing coming on either side. And this is an 18-inch gap on this side. Kind of crazy designed chain link gate there.